Hey guys, it's Gina, and I want to thank the brand Wrinkles Labs for sending over these eye patches for me to try out. I'm going to put them on and then I'm going to tell you about them. Wrinkles Lab Collagen plus Hyaluronic Acid Eye Mask Patches. These are made to help with puffiness, dark circles, and that tired, dull look, especially on mornings when your face needs a little extra help, like mine probably does every morning. They are packed with hyaluronic acid for hydration, collagen for a smoother look, and caffeine to help wake up your under eye area. I think it would be a good idea to use these perhaps on your clean, dry skin in the morning before you put on your makeup while you're getting ready. So I just placed them right under my eyes, smooth them down, and then I let them sit while I was working. I actually went in my office to check some email and kind of let them do their work. So they feel cool and refreshing, but I think if you struggle with puffy under eyes or fine lines showing up more when you're tired, these would be an easy step to add to your routine. Let these be on my eyes for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and take them off. I will say that it feels very hydrating. I definitely think this is a routine that I need to get into. So again, thank you to Wrinkles Labs for sending these over. This is their collagen plus hyaluronic acid. They do have other types. If you're looking for under eye patches, you might want to check these out.